Mike Hughes here. I'm in Bonaire, and I'm at the Chogogo Dive and Beach Resort, Bonaire. And Leon, you want to tell us a little bit about the resort?
Yeah, hi Mike, nice to meet you, and hi viewers. This is Chogogo Resort. It's a brand new resort. We've been open for 1 year now. We're a property with 200 rooms, 3 restaurants, a dive center, lazy river, and we're located right on the beach. So we're perfect for families. From March and onward, we are also have a pier, so we can offer boat dives as well.
Okay.
At the moment, we only offer drive and dive packages, dive lessons, of course. So we're a 5-star PADI dive center. Yeah, so basically, I think everything a shore diver wants, we offer.
Okay. Now, Chogogo, we'll just mention, that was the original Papamiento word for Flamingo.
Exactly.
And they almost sounded identical.
Yeah.
When you think about it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where it got the name.
Exactly, and they say that if you listen to the sound Flamingo makes, it's actually Chogogo.
They copied that after the dive resort?
No, I mean the sound of Flamingo. Yeah, no, it could be, I don't know.
Okay.
If they fly by and then...
And simply better diving, as they say in Bonaire.
Exactly.
Now, and also, if they want more information about the resort, it's brand new. What would they look for online?
It's scubadobonaire.com.
Oh, we can barely see it in the corner.
Exactly.
Scubadobonaire.com.
Or chogogo.com. That's the name of the resort. And we work together with the dive center Scubadoo. I know. We tried making it as easy as possible.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.